Hello guys, if you are looking for a job change, then this video is for you. Don't miss any point. I will tell you step by step how to increase your reach to the recruiters. There are many platforms that are available in today's there are many platforms that are available today. So naukari.com is one of them. Now, how I will show you how to use naukari.com efficiently. Okay, and I will show you how I am using my naukari.com profile and how efficient it is. Am I getting a call from the recruiters or I'm getting noticed by the recruiters? I will show you everything step by step. Okay, so this is my naukari.com application. I have just opened it, and this is my naukari profile. Okay, if I do click to this my profile, then you can see all the details about me here. My name is coming, my profile is coming, and here all the details I have added. Now the point is how to increase the reach of your profile to the recruiters. Here I will show you in the last 90 days my profile reached to 1475 75 appearances. Okay, 1475. This is not a bad number. This is really a good number, and I will tell you this is not from the last 90 days. This is only from the last 30 days, approx 30 days, because before 30 days there was only five or ten reaches of my profile, because I was not active. I was not looking. I was not active on a naukari.com, and since then in the last 30 days I got a reach of my profile. This is my reach 1475, and these are the recruiter actions. Recruiters either viewed my profile, either they contacted me by email, or either they contacted me by call. Okay, I will show you how many recruiters contacted me. Okay, so when I click to this button, so see, today contacted by email a day ago only. So this is some HR recruiter from Retail Insights, and this is 4 days ago this recruiter called me, contacted me by email. HR recruiter from Talent 500, and this HR recruiter viewed my profile from Amazon, and here I was repeatedly getting call from Chandigarh University for data structure courses, and these all are the recruiters actions they are taking on my profile. And how I'm able to make this possible, I will tell you everything step by step, and this video is really very important for you guys. Either you are a fresher or you are experienced. Okay, so the most important point is first fill each and every, whenever you will create a profile on naukri.com, you need to add certain details, your skills, your current company, your experiences, your projects. Fill everything, all the details. Don't miss anything. Expected salary, your net notice period if you are experienced. Okay, don't miss anything, don't miss anything. Fill everything. I will show you my profile. So this is my profile. Here you can see my name, and after that my name in here in the title. I have added my skill sets and the place where I'm working. Okay, all these are my skill sets, you can see here. And here my career preferences I have added: preferred location, preferred role, preferred salary, preferred shift, full-time employment, at job type. These are my basic details: year of experience, location, salary, notice period. Fill everything here. Then I have added my resume, updated. Make sure your resume should be updated. Okay, and here at this point I have missed out. Still I'm getting a very good reach. Okay, so make sure to add a video. Okay, make sure to add a video. So here you can add your video, and that you can include your introduction. Okay, and this is my profile summary, and this is my professional details. Fill everything. Okay, Fill everything, don't leave any cell blank. This is the hack. Okay, this is the hack. Add your key skills, add your employment details. Don't leave it blank. If you are experienced, if you are fresher, then add more and more number of projects. Okay, these are the projects and these are the skill sets you can have. Okay, and this is the education you can add here, your accomplishment, your personal details. Okay, and the languages, add everything. This is one hack. Okay, this is the one point. And another point is, be active on naukari.com every day. At least open your naukari.com profile once in a week. Okay, at least once in a week, do open your naukari.com profile. So this is the only hack. This is the only possible way to get you noticed by the recruiters. Okay, see, all these search appearance I'm getting, all these other recruiters actions. 41 recruiters are interested in my profile in the last 30 days. So the thing is, almost around every day, some recruiter is noticing my profile. Okay, either they contacted me by email, or either sometimes they are not contacted me. Sometimes they call me sometimes they call me. Okay, so all these details you can don't miss out any point. Don't miss out any point. Okay, so I wish you very well for your future. And if you find this video helpful, then please comment it and share it with your friends. Okay guys, thank you.